everyone! Try ko magsuot ng eyeglasses. Hiniram ko tong eyeglasses ng aking BFF. Pang reading to. Try ko kung bagay ba. Bagay, malaking mukha. Happy Sunday everyone! Bagay ba kaya suot ng eyeglasses? Yan, pang reading lang to, pang reading. Yan guys, thank you. Pasko na jud. Kasi first day, month of December 1. Sana masaya ang Pasko nyo. Kami masaya na rin kahit hindi masaya. Masaya rin. Ayan guys. Thank you. Shout out everyone. Bye and God bless us always. Happy Sunday ulit. Yan, inom tayo ng oatmeal.